Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 5165 Cheshire Glen Road in Canandaigua.
This is the crown jewel of the villas at Canandaigua. So let's take a tour.
This is one-floor open living with a cathedral ceiling great room, featuring a designer kitchen with beautiful well-worn cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast bar. Open to a spacious dining area and living area with a gas fireplace and an arched transom window, all with stunning Brazilian cherry hardwood floors, leading to an adjacent office or library with cathedral ceilings, and a sunroom with a wall of windows.
The first floor also features 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a laundry, including this elegant master suite with cathedral ceilings and a luxurious bathroom with a walk-in closet. While the second floor features an expansive bonus room, which could be an in-law suite with a full bathroom and a walk-in closet of its own. This unit features a full-size basement with an office and a walk-in cedar closet, and substantial storage or future space for an additional bedroom with egress. Enjoy maintenance-free living with exquisite landscaping and classic architecture.
Just off the front entryway is this private stamped concrete patio, great for enjoying morning coffee or a good book.
Here we are at the beautiful clubhouse and pool for your total enjoyment. The Villas at Canandaigua is a community of fine townhomes located at the north end of Canandaigua Lake. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5165 Cheshire Glen Road in Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!